Well, how you doing? We're getting ready to step into Missy Moore's Motorsports here, see what's going on inside the garage. Just see what we can find. Might find some Chevrolet parts in here. Let's see. Yeah, project today is going to be build a 383 stroker. It's got 4340 steel crank, 6-inch rod motor, aluminum heads, comp hydraulic roller cam, lift 520, 540, duration 236, 242, 110, lobe separation. And been wanting to build one of these things a long time here. Yeah. And what's going to be going behind it is 3-piece turbo. It's all rebuilt and ready to go. Well, one it's going in is going in an 81 Malibu station wagon. Yeah, and took the headers, took some heat wrap and wrapped the headers to keep the heat off especially on the starter side right here. You know, you can see it right there, the starter side. You know, you need to keep all the heat off of it. Brand new dry shaft, heavy duty dry shaft. So here in a little while we're going to be putting this thing together and setting in the car. So here just in a little while we'll be getting ready to put a cherry picker to this thing and put it inside the car.